This is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over what you do if you think you have a mold issue. We can also start at a time on how to handle mold removal or cleanup with how we do it with our company. Mainly, the first thing we'd recommend is that homeowners involve hygienists or a testing company. Somebody's going to come in, do an air quality test to see the extent of the mold issue in your home. Especially if you're having any type of sickness, meaning a cough, you're feeling under the weather consistently, and it's systematic throughout your household and not just one person. By doing this, hygienists are going to be able to tell you directly what's in the air, potentially point out early on if there's a mold issue in your home. After you do this type of test, they can write a protocol for treatment. The reason why it's important is that homeowners can take that protocol, you can give it to any restoration company, such as PDQ Restoration, and we can put together an estimate that applies for that scope of work. If you don't have this testing, you're just allowing the restoration company to come in and make a scope for whatever work they feel is appropriate, and sometimes I get in trouble, especially with one company going way above, or someone who's not doing it enough. I would always suggest, from a PDQ restoration standpoint, to go with the hygienist viewpoint. As a homeowner, you're not always going to know the right direction, and if something go off of cost alone, the cheap guy might find yourself in a bad situation, or someone not removing all their mold. It is always best to base it on a professional. While restoration companies are professional, they can be profit focused. It's always best to have that based off of someone. While PDQ is always going to give our best estimate, and on our side, look at your health and safety first. That's always best on our side. However, that is not always the case with all restoration companies. However, we would prefer you were to come to us, as always. If you have any other questions that can help with any kind of mold restoration, we're happy to help, and you can call us at 973-316-6014.